Hi everyone, I'm Sharon Malone and welcome to another episode of Shift Tips, where we'll be sharing the best tips and tricks to make your digital life simpler. On today's episode, we'll be sharing why you should be using an app-integrated browser. Apps are everywhere, our smartphones, our TVs, even our watches. But many people don't realize that they also play an important role in managing our digital life. When you live your life online, you're browsing the web, you're doing online banking, sending a million emails. At any given moment, you've got dozens of tabs open. That's where apps come in. Integrating apps into your browser allows you to browse more efficiently, save time by accessing the tools and websites you need without any extra steps. No opening new windows, searching through tabs, or logging in and out of accounts. With all that extra time on your hands, maybe you can finally get around to those unfinished DIY projects sitting in your garage. Customize and organize your browsing experience. Personalize your digital life by integrating custom apps into your browser. Whether it's calendar tools, communication apps, streaming services, Shift puts your browsing power back into your hands. It allows you to link your apps to different workspaces and accounts, allowing you to control how your apps are organized. Increase your browser security. Browsers like Shift offer centralized security management. You control your browsing, including privacy and data management. By browsing with Shift, your apps inherit the security policies and settings from your browser, just like I inherited my good looks from my mom. Sorry, Dad. Optimize your browser's performance. To all of you whose laptop fan is working overdrive, I see you. All those web pages bog your computer down with unnecessary content and ads. Guess what? Integrated apps are the solution. If you haven't already heard, Shift is the first app-integrated browser to merge all of your web apps into one powerful window. Connect all your favorite tools and accounts and choose from over 1,500 integrated apps to optimize your browsing experience. Shift is equipped with powerful integrations for email, social media and messaging, finance, project management, and so much more. The best way to get the most out of your browsing experience is to integrate your apps ASAP. So what are you waiting for? Switch to Shift. With that, you've made it to the end of another Shift Tips video. I hope you've learned a thing or two about apps and how to integrate them into your browser. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more Shift Tips.